Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really crazy video for you guys today. Today I'm teaching you how to mix modern R&B vocals. That's right, that Blue Vandross, Tory Lanez, Ty Dolla, any of those guys that's got that R&B sound. I'm gonna show you guys how to get it right now. It's quick and it's easy. Let's get right into it. I'm in my free template, and if you don't have a template for recording in Pro Tools or in Logic, check out my free templates. They're gonna get you in the game and get you where you need to go right away. All right, let's go ahead and play back a little bit of this track dry, and then we'll dive into how we're gonna mix it. All right, let's do it.
Now I'm at the strip football, making rain, throwing dollars. Since I started chasing ghosts, my circle got smaller in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah,
All right, cool. So as you can hear, the song is tough. It sounds good. The elements are there. It's a little out of balance, and that's easy to fix because we got the stems. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do first. This vocal sample that I put in here is a little bit loud. So I'm going to take that and just gain it down a little bit for when the chorus comes in. Let's just go maybe 3 or 4 dB and see if that sounds better.
chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone.
On the other hand, the guitar that we're using is a little bit too quiet, so I'm gonna boost a little guitar sample up, and then we'll dive into the vocal. I just want to get some balanced things done because, as you guys know, if you start with a good balance, the mix is gonna come together super quick and super easy every time.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone. Yeah, noticed that I was alone. Yeah.
Dope. I love the way that sounds. Let's go ahead and dig into the mix. So first I'm going to go down here to the lead bus and let's grab the VMR. Okay, so we already have a compressor up here. We're going to, oh, it's not even engaged. I'm going to get rid of that. For some reason, I'm filling EQ first because I can just hear some EQ issues I want to dig out before I even compress. So I'm going to grab the custom series and we're going to roll off some of the low end and we'll probably take out a little 200. Let's see.
My circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone. Yeah, noticed that I was alone. Yeah, this got me out of my zone. Yeah, now I'm in the club going once. Yeah.
Perfect. That just cleaned up the vocal a lot. Let's jump over to compression. For this, I'm actually going to use the custom opto, just because I'm a fan of that kind of slower, softer, gluier compression for an R&B vocal. Even though he's going pretty quick, I think we're going to be able to dial it in with this one. So let's see. If not, we'll switch to the 1176, which is kind of the go-to, but I want to try the custom opto first.
My circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone. Yeah, noticed that I was alone. Yeah, this got me out of my zone. Yeah, now I'm in the club going once. Yeah.
Perfect. I really like the way that sounds. Let's grab another EQ. We're going to go for the SSL EQ so we can kind of get some of that SSL sound onto this R&B vocal, because really a lot of times when you're dealing with R&B, that SSL sound is what you're used to hearing, and it's kind of what we want to get. So let's go ahead and dig into that. I think I want to bring down a little bit more lower mid-range and maybe boost some of the lows that we took away in a different way. So let's see.
My circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone. Yeah, noticed that I was alone. Yeah, this got me out of my zone. Yeah, now I'm in the club going once. Yeah. My circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone. Yeah, noticed that I was alone. Yeah, this got me out of my zone. Yeah, now I'm in the club going once. Yeah. My circle got small in my room. Yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do. No, but I know I wanna ball. Yeah, I started checking my phone. Yeah.
I like how that's coming out. Let's grab the modern 1176 and we're just going to do some super quick compression to take off 1 to 3 dB on the loudest peaks and see what it sounds like. Let's get there.
My circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah.
Let's bypass it and see what we can hear, like hear the difference we're making.
My circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't. My circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do.
And for some reason the EQ is still not quite where I want it. So let's grab an infinity so we can kind of see what's going on and make our adjustments based off of that.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah. Everything has got me fed up, gotta chasing ghosts. My circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no. Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah. Everything has got me fed up, gotta keep my head up, gotta get my bread up.
What you see me doing is matching the volume coming out of the EQ so that it matches the same volume that we had going into the EQ. So we're just trying to keep our levels in check is the main thing we're doing.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah.
And I'm also going to go back to our modern 1176, and I'm actually going to make the attack time a little bit faster on the compressor and see if that gives me the sound I'm looking for.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah. Everything is chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah.
Cool, so now the vocal is just a tiny bit too loud, but that's fine, we'll fix it at the next phase. Let's go and grab the black box for some saturation, and we're gonna saturate the middle or keep it flat. And that's gonna really help the vocal to jump out of the speakers, especially on smaller systems. So let's see how that's gonna feel.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah. Everything has got me fed up, gotta keep my head up, gotta get my bread up. Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah.
Cool, I like the way that sounds. Let's go down here and activate Instant Mix and go ahead and get the song finished up.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah.
Yo, and it's that crazy to get an A1 sounding mix quick and easy every time. Just follow these steps, use Instant Mix, you're gonna sound crazy every single time, man. Look, these are the tips I'm giving you week in and week out, and if you need a little bit more help, drop me a line down below, man, or send me an email. My name is Vivi and I'm here for you. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Chasing ghosts, my circle got small in my room, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I stare at the wall, don't know what to do, no, no. But I know I wanna ball, yeah. I started checking my phone, yeah. Noticed that I was alone, yeah. This got me out of my zone, yeah. Now I'm in the club going once, yeah, yeah. Everything has got me fed up, gotta keep my head up, gotta